Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done question number first, second and third. Today we will do the remaining questions. Okay, so let's start. So question number 4 is 4317 multiplied by 824. Okay, first we will arrange them in vertical form like this. Right, now first we will multiply 4317 by 4. Okay, so 4 sevens are 28, so 8 will come here and carry it forward 2. Done. Now 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6. Okay, now 4 threes are 12, 2 will come here and carry it forward 1. Now 4 fours are 16, 16 plus 1 17, 1 7. Done. Now we will multiply 4317 by this 2. Okay, and this 2 is in tens place, so I will write 0 in units place. Done. Now 2 sevens are 14, 4 will come here and carry it forward 1. Now 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Done. Now we will multiply 4317 by 8. Okay, 8 is in hundred place, so I will write 0 in units place and in tens place. Done. Now 8 sevens are 56, so 6 will come here and carry it forward 5. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, so 3 will come here and carry it forward 1. Done. Now 8 fours are 32, right? Sorry, 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, so 5 will come here and carry it forward 2. Now 8 fours are 32, 32 plus 2 is 34, 3 and 4. Now we will add them, right? So 8 will come as it is, 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 will come here and carry it forward 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2 will come here and carry it forward 1. Now 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, right? So 7 will come here and carry it forward 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 will come here and carry it forward 1. Now 1 plus 4 is 5 and 3 will come as it is. Done. So we get 35,57,208. Understood? Question number 5 is 6092 multiplied by 203. First we will arrange them in vertical form like this. Now first we will multiply 6092 by this 3. Okay, so 3 twos are 6, 3 nines are 27, right? So 7 will come here and carried forward 2. Now 3 zeros will be 0 only. So I will directly write this 2 here. Done. Now 3 6 are 18. So 1 and 8. Understood? Now we will multiply 6092 by this 0. We all know any number multiplied by 0 will be 0 only, right? So, and this 0 is in tens place, so I will write 0 here in units place first. And now 0 2s will be 0, 0 9s are 0, 0 zeros are 0 only, and 0 6 are 0. Done. Now we will multiply 6092 by this 2, and this 2 is in hundreds place, so I will write 0 in units place and in tens place. Done. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, so 8 will come here and 1 will come here, right? Now 2 zeros will be 0, so I will directly write this 1 here. Done. Now 2 6 are 12, so 1 and 2. Done. Now we will add them, right? So 6 will come as it is, 6, 7 also 7. Now 2 plus 4 is 6, right? 8 plus 8 is 16. So 6 will come here and carried forward 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 will come as it is and 1 will come as it is. Done. So we get 12,36,676. Understood everyone? Now question number 6 is 1177 multiplied by 99. First we will arrange them in vertical form. Done. First we will multiply 1177 by this 9. So 9 sevens are 63. 3 will come here and carried forward 6. Right. Now again 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 6 is 69. So 9 will come here and carried forward 6. Now 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 will come here and carried forward 1. Done. 9 ones are 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 and 0. Understood? Now again we will multiply 1177 by this 9. So this 9 is in tens place. So I will write 0 in units place. Done. Now we know that multiplying 1177 by 9 we will get 10,593. So we will directly write 10,593 here. Okay, like this. 3 9 5 0 and this one will come here. Understood? Now we will add them. 3 plus 0 will be 3. 9 plus 3 will be 12. So 2 will come here and carried forward 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. So 5 will come here and carried forward 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 0 will be 1 and 1 will come as it is. Done. So we get 1,16,523. Understood everyone? Question number 7 is 456 multiplied by 187. Okay, we will arrange them in vertical form first. Done. First we will multiply 456 by this 7. So 7 6 are 42, right? So 2 will come here and carry it forward 4. Now 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4 is 39, right? So 9 will come here and carry it forward 3. Done. Now 7 4s are is 28. 28 plus this 3 is 31. So 3 and 1. Done. Now we will multiply 456 by this 8, and this 8 is in tens place. So I will write 0 in unit place. So 8 6 are 48. 8 will come here and carry forward 4, right? Now 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. So 4 will come here and carry forward 4, right? Now 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. So 3 and 6. Done. Now we will multiply 456 by this 1, and this 1 is in hundreds place. So we will write 0 in units place and in tens place. Done. Now 1 6 are 6. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are is 4. Done. Now we will add them. 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 7 will come here and carry it forward 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2 will come here and carry it forward 1. Right? Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. And 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 will come here and carry it forward 1. Understood? Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we get 85,272. Understood everyone? Question number 8 is 6,543 multiplied by 79. Okay, we will arrange them in vertical form first. Now we will multiply by 9, right? So 9 3s are 27. 7 will come here and carry it forward 2. Done. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. 8 will come here and carry it forward 3. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. 8 will come here and carry it forward 4. Now 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 4 is 58. So 5 and 8. Done. Now this 7 is in tens place. So I will write 0 in units place. So 7 3s are is 21. So 1 will come here and carry it forward 2. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So 0 will come here and carry it forward 3. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. So 8 will come here and carry it forward 3. Now 7 6 are is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. So 4 and 5. Now we will add them. So we get 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 will come here and carry forward 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 will come here and carry forward 1. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. So we get 5,16,897. Done. So we have done till question number 8. You have to copy all the questions in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.